Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most epic LEGO Marvel releases of 2025, the LEGO Marvel X-Men, the X-Mansion building set. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link in the description for best price available, stock updates, and any exclusive offers. Package emoji, what's in the box? Inside the box, you get a beautifully detailed buildable replica of Xavier's School for Gifted Youngsters. 10 iconic minifigures, including Professor X, Wolverine, Cyclops, Jean Grey, Storm, Beast, Magneto, and more. Tons of modular details that showcase rooms like the Cerebro Chamber, classrooms, and Danger Room. Over 3,000 pieces of brick building joy. Yes, this is a serious build. The set is designed for adults, ages 18+, and you can tell right away that LEGO put love into every piece. This isn't just a playset, it's a display-worthy collectible. Brick emoji, building experience. This build is challenging but satisfying. It's perfect for seasoned LEGO builders looking for a rewarding project. The instructions are clear, and the architecture of the mansion is incredibly well done, with rich textures, hidden Easter eggs, and tons of nods to the comics and animated series. From brick-built stained glass windows to secret passageways, there's something awesome to discover in every section. Set aside a weekend or a few evenings, this build is made to be savored. Superhero emoji, the minifigures, yes, they're amazing. Let's talk about the minifigures, because honestly, they're a huge part of the appeal. Professor X in his hover chair. Wolverine with classic yellow and blue suit. Storm with the new cape mold. Cyclops, Jean Grey, Beast, Nightcrawler, Magneto, and even Mystique. These figures are loaded with detail, custom prints, and accessories. They're perfect for display or for expanding your Marvel LEGO lineup. Framed picture emoji, display factor. When fully built, the mansion looks incredible on a shelf or in a display case. It's big, bold, and instantly recognizable to any X-Men fan. Whether you're pairing it with other Marvel sets or letting it stand on its own, it's a centerpiece level model. White check mark emoji, final verdict. Pros. Massive, detailed build with modular sections. Includes 10 highly collectible minifigs. Packed with fan service details and Easter eggs. Excellent for adult collectors and Marvel superfans. Display ready, nostalgic, and totally fun. Cons. Premium price, but worth it for what you get. Time-consuming build, not ideal for casual builders. Might sell out quickly, especially first wave. If you're a fan of LEGO, Marvel, or the X-Men, this set is a must-have for your collection. It's a love letter to the X-Men franchise wrapped in premium bricks and nostalgia, and it brings Xavier's School to life like never before. Check the link in the description to grab yours before the Sentinels do, and if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more LEGO and collectible content, and tell me in the comments, who's your favorite X-Men character? See you in the next one.